Hey everybody, so let's go and open up Pokemon Go. If you don't have it yet, then go to your app store and type in Pokemon Go and download the game. Now right when you first open the game, you're going to get this screen, so let's enter in our date of birth. And click submit. Alright, now you're going to sign in with Google or Pokemon Trainer Club. I suggest Google, so I'm going to do that now and I'll fast forward the video when I'm done with that. Alright, and I just signed in and signed up for it, so now I got this screen. I'm going to say OK to push notifications, and it's loading up. Alright, so going to click accept, and now we get some instructions from the professor. So I'm just going to skip through these really quick. Unless you want to read it, you could read it on your own. Now pick an avatar and click the bottom right. You can customize your character here, but as of now I'm just going to leave it as what they give you. So click the bottom right when you're done and I'm all set. You could switch it later if you want, so don't worry. I like to access your camera to do the live feature of the game. So when you catch a Pokemon, you could see it in the real world, or you could turn it off and have the virtual reality of the Pokemon. And I'll explain that in later videos. Alright, so now you get the option to catch one of the three Pokemon, Charmander, Bulbasaur, or Squirtle. Now, I'm not going to show you this, but I'll explain it to you. If you're interested in getting a Pikachu, what you do is you walk away from these Pokemon 4 different times. Once you walk away 4 different times, a Pikachu will show up. Now, I suggest, unless you really love Pikachu, that you get one of these 3 because, in my experiences, Pikachu is easier to catch than these 3 in the wild, but it's up to you. So I'm going to pick Charmander. So just tap on the Pokemon you want to catch. I'm going to click maybe later because this is the virtual reality mode. If you clicked yes, the camera would have been the real life mode. So I'm going to explain how to catch Pokemon later in more detail, but for now, just flick the Pokeball at him. And hopefully you'll catch it in the first try because I doubt they want the Pokemon to break out in the first try of the game. Alright, there you go. First Pokemon is caught, a Charmander. So on the top left here is Stardust, and to the right is Charmander candy, and I'll go over that in future videos as well. So click OK. Now a new Pokemon is registered. Every time you catch a new Pokemon, this screen will be showing up. And now you get an overview of the Pokemon you just caught. So once you're done with this screen, just click the bottom check mark. And there you go. You get a congratulations screen on catching your first Pokemon. Now you have to enter your trainer name. Type in whatever you want. Hopefully that's not taken. Yes. Great. Explains what a Pokestop is. Click Let's Go. And there you go. Perfect. So that's how you start off the game. Let's jump on to the next video.